Derrick life. God bless you, my youth. You're a good youth. I'm want to link up with you. I teach you anyway. I want to link up with you. You're a good youth. And don't make me stop here. Go forward, father. I love you, TJ. I love Maya. Maya, my girl.
Then the sister Champagne put a tray down at top and put it for move and shake
put her class that. Rosalie is nobody. She not get enough forward to drop off. And so she not take the set pan Derrick.
I went Champagne to that court yesterday.
Champagne put her tray down over there.
Right here now?
Yeah, must over fridge and must over TV and microwave.
Rosalie, for tell Rami she forget back and start down at town. And come off for the media, she for come down. She bad mind. Rosalie yesterday.
She water down on her life yesterday and nobody no look on her. She water.
Nobody no look on her. Nobody. She for come off. I tell Rami she for buy her some peanut back and some things I make sure go sell. And come down and find me that she for members at TJ buy her the first year highlight her. At TJ highlight Rosalie. She not remember them the days day. You see a big stay about blood clot.
How she did bigger.
Rosalie now get no forward on the internet. Make she go and come down.
She's coming like a dog on the roadside now.
Rosalie look the worst by the media. All you see her there, the son I eat beer food, she come like pig. My fat, but my fat not stay so fat and clean. Derrick, somebody attack to your uncle.
You see one recordings where Rosalie has said, if you got a pampo to you.
Yes, yeah, you see that too. See that? You know?
Rosalie, about you mean? Eh?
About everything down.
From big to big, make a reason. Even though you can come. What you mean you're bigger than Rosalie? Come and make a reason, man. And you have a whole impact. Kind of impact.
You see, Derrick? Rosalie now get enough for a pampo to a good girl.
Rosalie, you have this whole impact. You're bigger than whatever. But it's a big deal to pay no thing. Why you sit down here?
I want to go bring her down now.
She forget bring down Rosalie for come out for the media. Rosalie for come out for the media. Make you go. Love walk out fast before members of TJ. If I say TJ buy her house, I Ramish buy the furniture, she's not gonna members who put the roof over her head. He can TJ highlight her and bear we can turn her back on TJ. Top of the scream, I sent some roast to Uncle Derrick. Send some roast top of the scream. One Derrick Morgan. But I like ungrateful people, you know. And so she don't go up on Jaden. And Jaden, this and Jaden. Jaden are good who come and help people. Probably you see uncle and Jaden have to be Derrick. Jaden like uncle, let's see them like Uncle Derrick. Notice when Uncle Derrick send out him this and him that and message, him uncle play on a dance street, come on him nah this Uncle Derrick. And Rosalie more for this. Jaden more for this Rosalie than Uncle Derrick. I should have said enough for herself.
So I'll know in a sister, I'll know bling a she can't come talk about she and TikTok police.
Yeah, me catch up.
But she come and talk about Jaden and Fabi.
Yeah, yes, me make a
but
video.
Jaden and Fabi are better than Blinger. But Jaden and Fabi are better than Blinger. Run out, no. Run out.
I look strain. Say my call you give Rosalie the strength than I buy her things. Derrick no live now and him come out every day upon the media attack. Yes, them provoke him and him cuss, yes. Don't get me wrong. Everybody I got talk, everybody have a right for talk in Jamaica. But them for come out, come give him a strength. Give him a strength.
Yeah, them give him a strength. The whole of them just push him aside. So right now it's like him alone. And them have them platform. Them nah add him in our box. Them nah play a match with him. They nah send over them people. Them say, oh no, come give him a strength. One time.
Ramesh need to come give him and the whole of them over there in the big top ranking need to come by and give Derrick a strength. You understand? I mean, I say come by and give him a strength, man. Truth is just the truth, man. Them for come by, come give him a strength. Hello, sis, Derrick.
Swisley and the whole of them. Jaden and the whole of them come give him a strength too. If ever one time, give him a strength. Jaden help everybody around the world. Him want them see, him want to see them battle
Derrick,
team now.
you know, so Jaden is
give him a strength too, man.
Yeah, I true your talk. She come in the park, you know, she come in the park with send boy.
Yeah, the whole of them come.
What's up here? We kill this Rosalie Awakado and I bring down the good people them upon the media. And be a good people, Rosalie I bring down upon the media.
Listen,
Be a good people.
The time when Ramesh there with them look of violence thing, Ramesh need to come by and the whole of them and give Derrick a look of place to live.
Yeah.
Need to come by.
The
whole of them.
So then I give him a little space. Send over them fans over here, play a match with him and tell them, say, yo, come support
highlight him, yeah. Put him back up in the ranking.
I'll make him do what he want to do. Yeah, I'll make him do what he want to do with the proceeding.
I can't say whenever Derrick. Them uncle thing, them can't say no, some help, but he put it 2 years. Derrick now put it 2 years this time because Derrick want help for 2. Derrick needs someone for live.
Derrick not put none of him money them 2 years because him
Derrick needs someone for live.
The time when them highlight Rosalie, them need to put Derrick.
I pay so 42,000 I pay so. Me arguing none of them.
Yeah, them can't come give him a strength, man.
Yeah, man, true.
Jump up in a box with Rosalie and this and that, and the whole of them group up. Them can't do that to Derrick, Derrick not trouble them. And Derrick look out for them.
Same treatment them can't give Derrick, but the same treatment them can't give Derrick. Like how them give Rosalie, because at the end of the day, Derrick a good youth, and Derrick now bash them. Derrick more of a pick up for them. Because at the end of the day, Derrick come out and say DTJ a good youth. Rosalie a pick up for Ramesh, because Ramesh buy her shoes.
You notice with them, the whole of them are put Rosalie in the big top place. Them forget Derrick a chance now. Give him a chance.
Yeah, more of them give him a chance. Them for give him a, see everybody run out for Italy and every other day. Nobody now run out for Derrick. Derrick look 1 and 2 supporter them. Them we have the big top followers them. Them nah look out for Derrick.
But Derrick them fear look out for. Derrick them fear look out for.
Yeah.
Look how quick them put up Italy and other day. Yeah?
Exactly.
Them
exactly. The time when them give Italy and the strength, them can give Derrick the strength too.
But Derrick needs the strength. But Derrick need it. Derrick very need it, because at the end of the day, Derrick a one away.
That is it.
Every day I see him.
Derrick got so bless you.
Yeah.
God have to bless Derrick. God have to bless Derrick.
Yeah. And God go bring them down and Derrick see them when I figure rise up and build them up, help them. Watch.
Yeah, public account.
Shower?
Pampitela, where them a cut for?
Derrick what? No, but must over one fridge, must a must a TV, a microwave, must a she put must want do a video with her about TV. A microwave, and she start to say, Pam put one take her for food, and Pam put one use her for get her come back, and she now make she use her. And this and that, so you know, so she start, because Rosalie move like she a bull buck and up a conquer right now.
Them, my family don't come call me, make me do it.
Exactly. And that me I try to tell us at the time, and them I look for them kind of people. They wanna look out for them, and you would do the ads there for them and get something more. And you them fear call to get the ads there, to get something in your pocket.
But what they me do ask with Lord Fashion and go and good.
For Lord Fashion, yeah, Derrick.
CJ.
Lord Fashion, you tell me about it for sure.
Derrick, me say ad me why pray walk on.
You know, alright then, he says, alright, take care.
Derrick, what do you, Derrick? Relax.
No, you say, me say, Adam, I'm not know where you're up to.
Me say you add me, and me say walk on.
Okay.
So when them that.
I know you not text me, or you stay so. You know much time I text her, tell us if you text me, I know. All I do is follow and then don't remember to text me.
I too much think for my friends and my friend come here, I look so happy right now.
So you not get nowhere yet?
I know.
Me know so you not get nowhere, but me not mean so. You not get nowhere you didn't like car so. I'll be a country please, you know.
I'll be a country please. Kim, you couldn't message Pamper to that if you still want this video for do. Yeah, do it, you know. Yeah, do it video right now.
I not live a Portmore though.
No, me not live at Portmore, me live Portmore. That nice community, nice
No,
community.
Nice scheme, man, son. No, no, with 4 more.
Nothing wrong with over Portmore. There can get a local room over there,
The
take
problem
it.
is somebody have to go looking for you.
I will probably value, you know what I'm saying? No probably value. I look out for Derrick.
If you know, if you know, you make somebody do it for him.
Kim want to your family over Portmore. She not can get what I see him.
Listen,
You know, a family over Portmore can get a house to Derrick.
I don't have family, I have all my friends, never done a family over there. I can't make a link, yes.
Yeah.
Make a link fee. I inbox
Everybody,
him.
what me I say is, if you call out them top ranker there, we want them put them.
But yes, I
When
true
we
yata.
never go through film time
Call
now,
out the ranker them, I make them help Derrick. The ranker them can help Derrick too.
The one to Jaden.
Derrick
now,
a good youth.
Top
Derrick
ranker.
a good man.
We are call out
But
Jaden.
Derrick, listen me say, if you can call out Maya, Jaden, TJ, and them people there.
So Derrick, you not try to reach out to them.
And Miss Triple and them people there. Miss Triple a good man in the Derrick.
Me not like me look at buy friend for him something. Make funny, you know.
And I buy, yeah, we know that, but I'm a buy friend because end of the day, Miss Triple one good woman, you know. Don't take Miss Triple like one
We
good
are
woman.
call out Shay.
I'm a know she help.
And we
I'm
just
a know she
Yeah,
help Derrick.
now listen what Derrick said. Derrick say, him nah call him out because him nah look no friend. I the help you want Derrick and a friend you look. You can't keep malice and keep your pride in you.
Like, oh, them no want
This
them.
is based on the character with Derrick have.
People in the ghetto would have give him a place, but Derrick don't want to live in the ghetto. And I would
Based
But
on the
end of the day,
character
when
Derrick
Derrick
have, once
got
the
the rich
people
top
them
people,
hear Derrick
them
have, and
people
then
live.
I want to give him place.
But if people go for the big shot place and go live there, can still go the dirty attitude. Him not change.
them not going to rent him anywhere. Because when them find out says him,
Exactly. So
or even
all the tenant them.
if me find out place him, them are going to say, oh, I'm going to mix and mingle with Derrick. And that's a problem.
And Derrick a cost too much too. Derrick no know for bill sometime.
And I don't think him like because, you know, it's just him personality. I just saw him grow, him not know no better. And you can't cause a man when not know no better. If him don't behave so.
But sometimes him can ignore something too, cause I tell you something. Other day Derrick get some
But
of
that
it.
make him name though. And that make him have him name, you know, the vulgarity and the behavior.
Alright, look on the other day him get summer for rent. Yeah, listen.
I love Derrick. Come on for this. Come on for black clot this.
Black. Moderator black.
Black across, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just somebody knows to find a real one. A real one to just find someone for him. But it not go easy because the landlord not gonna want him there. And the tenant them and the
landlord did want him there now. They may want him there, but me tell you something, Derrick nah go change. The end of the day, Derrick come like Rosalie. All they see them there, them a one of a kind. Cause the end of the day, I say, nothing no pass them pan the media. Nothing no pass them pan the media. If Derrick see somebody look on him too hard, Derrick a go start first. So them a pray him, them want to kill him. I don't know about the see me now, them just a look at say Uncle Derrick this. And when somebody even try to be nice to go meet him, Derrick a go curse.
Oh, Derrick got the bathroom gone.
But understand that we not say about me never see me yet to that man a kiss or no. But the point is if somebody look on him too hard in start.
Look here, me no get up and cuss people. Me no get up and cuss people, so I people always trouble me.
And them have to trouble him, and them trouble him more while too, you know.
Yes,
Derrick.
Yeah?
Your name Derrick, yeah? One Derrick on the app, and that make your neck.
You cut people, me. I people always see and trouble and put phone for me.
And him, you know, say if him there around certain people, him don't behave so.
True.
Me don't get up and trouble people.
Yes.
When you see him in person, him so calm and nice.
Me don't trouble people when I'm in trouble. Not trouble people.
Nobody now go and rent them place.
Derrick a good friend.
I'm afraid of your mouth and that.
Don't they rent Raja terrible want me.
True.
Raja good youth. Raja tell the truth and not care.
I'ma tell you something, them rent Raja not just get rent and Raja for pay out for him way too. And you don't have money for pay out your way, Derrick, and you need money more than ever. Derrick, Raja pay out him way.
I know say honestly Raja tell the truth and not care.
No,
Raja tell the truth and not care. Raja tell him me mind and not care.
Me have a co-worker who live with Russia, Raja and neighbor, and nobody tell we. And Raja have to pay the gunman them at time too.
That's that.
Yeah?
Derrick Serrat.
Yeah? Cause remember, you know, him have to pay the gunman. Me have a friend out of so, up in live. Him have to pay the gunman them at time little, but that's your seat so. But otherwise,
but me say Raja buy be a bike and be a sinner.
That me I tell him have to pay them at
Raja buy the
time.
gunman them bike and be a sinner.
Derrick not the money figure that Derrick need them the money there.
Yes, sir.
Need
Can
them
I
the
tell
money
Raja
there.
if all I will live at all, so we know one another. Raja buy the man them bike and this and that and give them money.
You have to buy out your way in life.
Yeah, you have to buy your
Yes.
some way in a life. Cause if you got the workplace, you buy your way. If you go certain place, you buy your way. And Roger and Derrick now have them kind of money there for buy your female. Derrick need money.
Come on for this. Who that Derrick black them?
Me black him.
Yeah, black.
Moderator work in a black in time. No pussy come and Derrick like come the same. No pussy. Black.
Black and delete. Come on for this. Keep your personality. You soon find somewhere. I just you know I got no country.
Country too slow, and I mean I like country pan a whole. Country slow for me. You have to born and grow a country for like country.
Yeah.
You can get place all links in and then place there now.
Then the place will go slow for Derrick.
Yeah.